welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show as San Miguel taking on Alaska Aces in the final Philippine Cup match of the regular season. Tomorrow night, 7 p.m. at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Tip off. San Miguel Beerman needs a win to qualify for the outright semifinals, but Alaska is still trying to pursue this win and they trying to make it to the semis. So we need to win this game for the San Miguel Beermen so that Alaska can make the semis hopes on trouble. Together with Rain or Shine have their one game remaining, but they have a match at hand to be waiting for. San Miguel Beermen have made dominance in the last game over TNT in the last game on Saturday. Junmar Fajardo had made a big blowout together with Aaron Santos to put this on the brink of winning this ball game. Kaya San Miguel ay kailangan ma-depensahan nitong titulo para may panalo. At nung kahapon lang ay nag-practice ang mga Beerman players sa Quezon City para sa game para bukas. Kaya pinaghahandaan nito yung laban nito under the system ni Coach De Austria. Ang starting 5 sa akin will be Tubid will return to the starting 5. Then ang susunod kong pipiliin si Junmar, then si Aaron Santos, then si Marshall Lasseter and Lex Cabonga. Yun ang starting 5 sa akin para bukas. Kailangan nitong must-win situation para maka-qualify sa semis. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below. I'm Andra Alvaro, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.